Hello friends, I, Dhairya Bhatia, welcome you to my YouTube channel Maths DNA from Origin to Infinity. Today we are going to discuss a question that was asked in MHSET examination conducted on 27th December 2020. But before that, if you are looking for all the previous year solutions of NET or any set level examination of mathematics, then you can register your name on the link that is given below in the description, as well as you can contact us directly on dnamaths@gmail.com. So let us begin with the question. The question is, the number of positive integers not greater than 100 which are not divisible by 2, 3 or 5 is. The options are A 20, B 25, C 26 and D 30. So let us begin and solve this question. But before that, I would recommend that you should pause the video over here and try it by yourself once. Now solving the question. Firstly, it is given to us that the integers are positive and not greater than 100. And also we have to find the total numbers that are not divisible by 2, 3 or 5. Remember, not divisible by 2, 3 or 5. So we will find the numbers that are divisible by 2, 3 and 5 and then subtract them from the total, that is 100 numbers. Let us begin step by step. Firstly, A with the total numbers that are divisible by 2, that is 100 upon 2, and that will be 50. The brackets over here is a greatest integer function. We will discuss it. What do we mean by that? Now B is the total number that are divisible by 3. Now when you divide 100 by 3, you get 33.33, but we only consider the integer, that is 33. Similarly, C is the total numbers that are divisible by 5, that will be 100 upon 5, that will be 20. Now there will be numbers that are divisible by both A and B, so they will be considered 2 times. So we need to remove that, that is A intersection B. Now A intersection B will be the total numbers that are divisible by 6. Why 6? Because 6 is the LCM of 2 and 3. For example, 6 is a number that is divisible by 2 as well as 3. So when we are counting, we consider 6 in 2 also as well as in 3. So we need to remove ones, that will be 100 upon 6, that will be equals to 16. Similarly, we will be having the numbers that are divisible by 3 and 5. Now that will be of LCM 15 and we need to remove that too. So it will be 100 upon 15, that is equals to 6. Again, that is C intersection A. Now here the total numbers that will be divisible by 10, that is 2 and 5 both, and that will be 100 upon 10 and that is equals to 10. Now when we have removed many of them, still there are some numbers that will be divisible by 3 of them and that will be counted, removed twice, so we need to add them again, that is A intersection B intersection C, that is total numbers that are divisible by 30, and that will give you 100 upon 30, that is equals to 3. Remember, we are taking greatest integer. The answer will be in fractions, in point, but we only need to take the integers. Now when we have all our required values, we know that total number of elements in A union B union C equals to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B plus number of elements in C minus number of elements in A intersection B minus number of elements in B intersection C and minus number of elements in C intersection A, added to the number of elements that are common in A intersection B intersection C. We have all the required values, that is 50 plus 33 plus 20 minus 16 minus 6 minus 10 plus 3. Solving this, we get it as 74. But these are the numbers that are divisible by 2, 3 or 5, whereas we needed the numbers that are not divisible. So we subtract 74 from 100 and we get it as 26. So our required answer is 26, option C. Thank you. And you can be a member of our social club and watch 200 plus videos on our YouTube channel and get a complete study material for any competitive exam on our Telegram channel.